Welcome back to my channel Vedanti Tutorial. I am your Gunapriya. So in before section we have discussed the 5 problems of second Roman. Now we will discuss the 6th problem. So what they have given? Find the equation of tangent of a circle. That means to find out two tangents of a circle. So they have given the circle equation, right? At the points. So this they have given points. What they have given? Whose ordinate or 1? Already we have discussed that the ordinate means y point. Ordinate means nothing but y point. So let x1 and 1. So we don't know the x point, right? So let think the first one is x1 and second thing is x2. And they have given ordinate as 1. So they have given 2 points. That means 2 points are passing in the tangent and they have given circle. Now we have to find out the tangents of that circle. Okay, equation. That means equation of tangent. So given, so let's think this is point P and Q. Okay, P as x1 comma 1 and Q as x2 comma 1. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 12 equals to 0. This is the first equation they have given. Now substitute the point here. Already the x1 or x2 means whatever if you substitute the x point, that the equation will be same only. Now substitute P point x1 comma 1 lies on equation 1. Okay, now we have to find out the x point, right? X point. Now substitute x1 square, y means 1. So 8x1 minus 2 into 1 plus 12 equals to 0. So x1 square minus 8x1 plus 11 equals to 0. By simplifying we will get here. Okay. Now this is the equation. Now we have to find out the points x point. Now find the roots here. Minus b plus or minus. Now substitute b as minus 8. We already know this is the formula for finding the root. I will write here. Minus b means, that means we have to find out x, right? So x equals to 8. Here minus into minus will become plus. So 8 plus or minus root 64, 4 into 11. B square means minus 8 whole square is 64. 4. A here the x1 term coefficient is 1 and C is 11 by 2 into A here is 1. So that is 2. X equal to 8 plus or minus 64 minus 44 by 2. Then you will get x equals to 8 plus or minus root, what's the formula here? 20, right? By 2. You can write 20 as 4 5s. So 4 into that equals to x equals to 8 plus or minus root 4 is 2. 2 root 5 by 2. Now take 2 as common. 4 plus root 5. Plus or minus. Don't forget to write plus or minus here. 2 get cancelled and x equal to 4 plus or minus root 5. So that is the x value. X is nothing but 4 plus or minus root 5. Okay. Now our x point is, what's the x point? So x equals to 4 plus or minus root 5. Okay. Ordinate is same. So x1 and x2 are the roots of above equation. Nothing but x1 square minus 8x1 plus 11 equals to 0. That equation having the roots x1 and x2, that is 4 plus or minus root 5. Now our point is 4 plus root 5 comma 1. This is one point here, plus or minus, right? So 4 plus root 5 and q will be 4 minus root 5 comma 1. Now understand? So x1. So here 4 plus or minus. First one is for plus and minus 4 minus root 5 comma 1. Now at we have find out the points. We have completed half part. That means x1 point and x2 point we have find out from the first equation and we have substitute the alternate there and we have find out the roots for this. Then you will get x equals to 4 plus or minus root 5. That means x is 4 plus root 5 and another x is 4 minus root 5. Okay, now completed the point. Now we have to find out the equation of tangent. We know that if they have given one point and to find out the equation of tangent means we know one formula. Already we know the one expression that already we have discussed it in the first problem of the first exercise. Right? This is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into find out the g and f. So to find out g and f from this equation we can find out. So x square y square. Okay, from the equation 2g equals to minus 8, 2f equals to minus 2. So g equals to minus 4, f equals to minus 1. Okay, that is the g point and is the f point. Now substitute g and f in this equation and substitute the x1 y1 in this equation. Okay, x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 equals to 0. So 4 plus root 5 into x plus y minus 4 into 4 plus root 5 plus x minus 1 into y plus 1 plus 12 equals to 0. That means c here plus c equals to 0. c is 12. Now you will get, now multiply 4x plus root 2 5x root 5x plus y minus 16 minus 4x minus y minus 1 plus 12 equals to 0. Then you will get root 5x minus 5 minus 4 root 5 equals to 0. So root 5 equals to x minus. So while taking root 5, then you will get here 5 means to get 5 what we have to multiply here? Root 5. Then only we will get the 5. Root 5 into root 5 will be 5. So here x equals to 4 plus root 5. Now we have find out the one equation of a tangent. Now we have to substitute another point. That means q point in this equation. And again we have to find out another equation. Q point. Now Q is 4 minus root 5 comma 1. Then 4 minus root 5 into x plus y minus 4 into 4 minus root 5 plus x minus 1 y plus 1 plus 12 equals to 0. So 4x So this is our second equation of